Hello children and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to do class 9th maths chapter 1 number system exercise 1.2's third problem. So it is written here, show how root 5 can be represented on the number line. So they want us to represent root 5. Now inside the root there is a prime number. 5 is a prime number. Why? Because 5 has only two factors, 5 and 1 itself. So this is an irrational number. So they want us to represent an irrational number on a number line. So how can we represent it? So let's start. Root 5 on the number line, we have to use Pythagoras theorem here. Pythagoras theorem is h is equal to under root b square plus p square. B is base and p is perpendicular. So base square plus 1. So we have to always take perpendicular to be 1. Now what should we take base to be so that we get root 5 here? So if I take 2 square plus 1 square. So I am taking the base to be 2. That is why it is here 2 square. 2 square is 4. 4 plus 1 we get here 5. So this is how we get root 5. Now why have I done this? I have done this so that we get the value of base also and perpendicular also, which will help us to plot on a number line. So this is the number line that I have already drawn. I have taken bigger measurements. Whichever measurement you are taking, it should be equal. This is the only thing. So minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Now what you have to do is, as base is 2, so from 0 to 2 is our base, and from 2 you have to draw a perpendicular line, that too of 1, because perpendicular we have taken it to be 1 unit. Okay, so 1 measurement I am taking here, and I am joining 0 and the point, tip of the perpendicular point. This I am giving it a name to be A, and the below portion is B here. Now we know that the perpendicular that we have taken is 1 and the distance from 0 to 2 is 2, that is our base. So 2 square plus 1, we know that hypotenuse will be root 5. This one we have already calculated. Now this root 5 is on the hypotenuse. Now we have to represent this thing on a number line. So how will we do this? With the help of a compass. Put your tip on 0 and the other tip on A. From there draw an arc. The point where the arc meets the number line is your root 5. So I am giving it a name, that is C here. Yes. So now this is root 5, but how do I know that this is root 5? How can I say this? Look here, this is a arc here. So OA is the radius inside this arc. Similarly, OC is also the radius, and we know radiuses are always equal. So OA is equal to OC is equal to radius. So if OA is root 5, that means OC is also root 5. So this is how we have represented root 5 on the number line. Okay, so I'll just make you revise this thing once again so that you understand the whole concept. Whenever you have to represent something on the number line that is irrational number, what you have to do is, with the help of Pythagoras theorem, firstly you have to find the base and the perpendicular there, and perpendicular always you have to take 1 here. Base here I have taken 2, and 2 square I got 4, and likewise I got root 5. So when you are plotting that, plot it likewise. Your base is 2. After getting root 5 on the hypotenuse, with the help of a compass, you can draw the arc and get the point on the number line also. This was it. Thank you and bye for now.